Looking for the best AI bots in Dola AI? Yeah. With so many options, it can be tricky to know which ones actually help you work faster. In this guide, I'll show you how to find the top AI bots that fit your workflow. First, open Dola AI on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're logged in to access the full library of AI bots. Next, go to the AI bots, Explore, or Discover tab. This is where all available bots are displayed in categories. Browse the bots by category, like writing, productivity, research, or fun. Use filters or sort by popularity, rating, or most used to find bots that are proven to work well. Click on a bot to see details, including user reviews, ratings, and sample prompts. Bots with higher ratings and good reviews usually deliver better results. Activate or add the bot to your workspace and test it with a prompt. This helps you see how it performs and whether it suits your workflow. If multiple bots do similar tasks, test a few of them. Compare speed, accuracy, and ease of use. Keep the ones that fit your workflow best. And that's it. Open Dola AI, explore the AI bots section, filter by category or rating. Try a few and stick with the bots that actually help you. Finding the best AI bots is easy once you know how to search and test.